How's everyone doing today, and welcome back. Here we are on the Bitcoin daily chart, and if you remember from our last video, one of the things I mentioned was this trend line right here on our RSI, and how we really want to break above this, and we are getting very, very, very close. We are right on the line. All right, now we're going to zoom in on the 4 hour. So currently, we are approaching overhead resistance. So one of the things we talked about yesterday that we were looking for was some signals of divergence, which right there. And so far, it's playing out pretty well. I'm going to look at the 1 hour, try to get a little better idea of what's going on. So right now, we're fighting to get above this overhead resistance currently. So as we're fighting to break this overhead resistance, we're still not out of this downtrend. So one idea is potentially we could break above, go get a bounce. We could potentially get rejected on this resistance, but what we want to see is to hold support. We really want to hold the support level here and then potentially get a bounce up through resistance. We could bounce up and then we can move onward and break out of this falling wedge. And for anyone that's concerned about the future of Bitcoin, everyone's kind of up in a panic. The crypto market's crashing, this, that, and the other thing, it's dead. Don't be. Because whales are loving what's going on right now. They are buying this at a massive discount. So somebody's been buying a ton of Bitcoin. So once this market does flip and we start going positive, we could see some explosive upside. All right, so let's take a look at Theta here. So we discussed the news about their smart contracts launching on February 1st. And we're looking for divergence signals here for any signs of a reversal. So yesterday, we were down in this area. We had some good divergence signals down here. And from there, that created about 22% gains in just a 2-day period. I mean, I really can't stress enough the importance of learning how to properly chart. And if you're serious about maximizing your money and your returns on your investments, this is super important. People preach to just hodl, hold their money, just let it sit and do its thing, which is fine for the long-term investment. But if you're really looking to quit your job, do this full time, you have to understand what these charts are telling you. Same thing, Matic. We discussed this in the last video, and it was exactly the same thing. We had strong bullish divergence, hit it down here, hit it down here. And then as soon as you broke out of this trend, it's the same thing. We got 20% gains. Like this stuff isn't hard. You just have to understand what you're looking for, and it can be incredibly profitable. But another quick one today, guys. Just want to kind of update you what's going on, what coins I'm looking at, and I'll see you tomorrow.